So this is May 2021 and I have received my Ipsy Glambag. I actually received it a while ago, but I'm just getting to it. So before this month is over, I figured let me go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's going on with Ipsy. Let's see what they've sent us. And hopefully we got some really good goodies to dive into for the month and try out. Okay. Now, before I get started with this, I do want to introduce myself. I am Simply Carrie. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and investing your time in me. I do Ipsy Glambag unbaggings every month. I do other unboxings as well. So if you're interested in beauty products and reviews on beauty products, this is the place to be. So definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. This is the first time that I'm actually seeing the products for May. So you're gonna get my natural reaction. Voila. Okay, so the bag itself, I must say, I really do like it. It's pretty. This is it's a pretty pink. I like the, oh, they're flowers. I like the design of it, and I like that it's pink. I like the gold little handle there. That's cute. I like that. Okay, Ipsy, cute. I like. All right, so let's see. Oh, you know what? Before I even finish opening it, let me see if there's anything. Oh, nothing in the bag. Okay. So all the products are already inside the bag. Very nice. I like to always see what the theme is before I even start pulling out anything. Sometimes I miss. That's okay, but we'll see. Okay. So it says here, this is the May 2021 Flower Power. The brightest blooms come after the storm, and now it's time to thrive. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin know-how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com/flowerpower. Okay. So hashtag Ipsy Flower Power. Okay, so hence the flowery bag. So flower power for the month of May. The power in flower? The power in the flower? I don't know, I don't get that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 products that Ipsy sent. Now, you know what? I'm really not using my Ipsy subscription to the best of my ability. I don't go on and I don't go online and I don't pick a product. I think I can actually pick something, and I kind of don't because I'm kind of busy. So I just kind of rely on Ipsy to send me what they send me. The starting price for an Ipsy Glambag is $12, and that's probably about all I pay. I just wanted the basic just to see what it's all about. And the neat thing about it is that, let me just get into this. Why am I running my mouth? Okay, so let's get into the first product. Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we're already on the right track. Thank you very much. Dip Brow Gel. You're already on the wrong track. A dip brow gel? I don't want a brow gel. There's nothing wrong with my brows. I don't feel like I have to. How do you get this thing out? Okay, so obviously this is a miniature child size. So basically this is a cone-shaped brush. It's a waterproof gel that's used to add volume, definition, structure, and natural looking tint. And it's supposed to last for 12 hours. Well, now I already have stuff on my eyes already, but this might not be too bad. Okay, so this is definitely worth a try just to see what it would look like. Okay, now I use a powder to tint my eyebrows, but this is definitely worth trying. So it's dark brown, and yeah, this is worth trying. I can't even I can't even be mad at Ipsy for this. No, no, thank you. I like this. Okay, I definitely will try this. So this one is called the Balm Cosmetics Anti-Dot Tinted Moisturizer number 34. Oh, yeah. I wanted a tinted moisturizer. This is actually awesome because I did want a tinted moisturizer. And here are a couple of nice things about it. It says this complexion perfector is made with a bioretinol, a natural ingredient that mimics the line smoothing effects of retinol plus vitamin A and C to brighten and protect. I'm not big into using my finger, but since I don't have a sponge in the front of me, I'm gonna try it out, and it looks like, okay, let me find some area. No, this is too light. This is too light for me. Let me just try to blend it in. Okay. All right. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this. I will give it a try and see, but a tinted moisturizer is always nice to have, especially if you don't want to use a foundation. So I'm all for that. The third product is, and I don't know if you can see that, I'm gonna turn it this way because I know that the light is reflecting. But this one is called Skin and Company Roma Truffle Therapy Morning Dew. This is a cleanser. It's a 2-in-1 sulfate-free cleanser, which also removes makeup, which is awesome. I really like something like that. Okay. Ipsy, you're doing a good job so far. Okay, I like this. I definitely could use another cleanser. And especially if it's something that can remove makeup all in one, then I'm all for it. And the nice thing is it says it's perfect for dry and sensitive skin types. That's a good one. And it's a pretty decent size. This will be put to use. Do I see a skincare routine in my future? I think so. So this is a moisturizer. It's Bonjour Green Tea Water Balm. This water balm is a lightweight formula. It provides a wave of hydration for your skin. Green tea helps soothe, calm, and minimize redness, also known as it's perfect for sensitive skin types, while peptides improve elasticity. All right, so it has peptides in it. It's got green tea in it. It's great for sensitive skin. So this is a really good one here. So we've got a moisturizer. Okay, so far Ipsy's really doing it. Ipsy is really doing it this time. Okay, now what's our next one? And this is our last one. This is our fifth. What is this? St. Lux. Why do I feel like I've heard that name before? St. Lux Lip Liner Duo in Moscato and Vino. And you know something? I did not line my lips today, so... I got two. Ipsy, you are too good to me. A lip liner, oh, it's a lip liner duo. Okay, so is one Vino and then the other one is Moscato? Is that what it is? It's two different colors. So I would imagine, yeah, this would be the Vino and this one would be the Moscato. Okay, so you know something? This is what I'm curious. I want to try it on. I'm just curious to see. Yeah. Ooh, look at the, ooh, this is nice. Ooh, okay. All right. I don't have my mirror in front of me, so I'm just gonna have to, oh yes, oh yeah. I definitely will be using this. It goes on smoothly. This is nice. I like this. This is so well worth my little subscription money. Oh yeah. and I got 2 different ones. Let me tell you guys, these subscription bags really are good, especially if you're not really running around out buying things. You don't have time to really get into the mall. You want to be up on what's going on, especially in skincare and makeup. I think it's well worth it, definitely. Oh yes, I love that one. I think that's my favorite of all of them in here. So it looks like I got 3 items that are makeup. So I got the 2 lip liners, the Tinted Moisturizer, and the eyebrow gel. And I got 2 skincare items. One is a cleanser and makeup remover all in one, and the other one is a moisturizer. So in all, I really think I did very well. I'm really happy for May. May gets 2 thumbs up. No, I don't even have to like force it. May gets 2 thumbs up. Yes, definitely. I love it. Thank you so much. If you came this far with me, thank you so much for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed thus far, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Definitely don't forget to hit the notification bell. Give me a like. Hit that thumbs up button. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right? Bye.